Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ferdi Satria with students number 2021-22-503. In this occasion, I will deliver about the research proposal titled Indonesian EFL Learner Phenomenon Autonomous Learning through HONKAI Style Students Perspective. Alright, so the table of contents are background, formulation of the problem, operational definition, aim of the study, significance of study, literature review, and research procedure. Alright, so the first is about the background. English has been acknowledged as a global language. Every country and nation has different languages, but to communicate each other with another country, they need to use English language to communicate. Therefore, English language has been taught at school from the beginner to advanced. Even though it's officially taught at school in this digital era, they can learn anytime and anywhere. One of digital media that could assist student English comprehension is online game. In this case, is HONKAI Style. So the formulation of the problem is what are the contributions of HONKAI Style to improve learner English comprehension? And then the operational definition are HONKAI Style, tune-based RPG, mobile game, and English comprehension. So the first is HONKAI Style. It's an online game developed by HoYoverse on 26 April 2023. And then the turn-based RPG or role-playing games are a popular genre of video games where players engage in battles and progress through a story-driven narrative by taking turns. And then mobile games refer to the video games specifically designed and optimized for play on mobile devices such as smartphone or tablet. And the last is English comprehension. It refers to the ability to understand and interpret written English text effectively. So the next is aim of the study is to investigate the learner English comprehension improvement after playing HONKAI Style. The significance of the study, there are three. The first is theoretical contribution. This research will enrich the literature review of HONKAI Style, especially to support the students' learning in EFL context. And the second is empirical contribution. This research will show an empirical understanding of how HONKAI Style assists and affects learner English comprehension. And the last is practical contribution. This research can be used as a reference to find out if playing online game may improve learner English ability. So the next is about the literature review. The concept of autonomous learning, online games, and study of relevant research. So the concept of autonomous learning is where students play a major role through the learning process. And the second is the concept of online games, refer to interactive video games that are played over the internet or a computer network. And the study of the relevant research, there is a study conducted by Yuda and Utami on 2022, which on previous study, it's confirmed that online game called Dota 2 could improve learners' vocabularies. And the study is to confirm that online game could also increase learner English comprehension. And the next is about the research procedure. It consists of the method, the focus, the setting and participant, and the technique of collecting data and analyzing the data. So the first is about the method. The study will employ a narrative inquiry approach to capture the learner's experience and perception regarding the use of HONKAI Style as an autonomous learning tool. The focus in the study is on how HONKAI Style could help improve learner English comprehension through playing it. The setting is because there was a fresh and high demanded release game, and the game itself becoming hot topic in the 4 days. Since it has well-written story, it will be interesting to find out the contribution for improving English comprehension. The participant is one of students from Universitas Teknologi Yogyakarta or UTY. English literature major who has been playing the game since the day it's released. And the technique of collecting data, I use a semi-structured interview as the data collection, and for the data analyze, I use the content analysis. All right, so here's are the references that I use. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.